Governor, it's been so alarming even watching these pictures from thousands of miles away. For you as a former governor of the state, it must have been terribly difficult to see what's been happening.
It's a horror, and it brings home just the danger that we live in. We're in such an affluent place and time that when nature acts up, and when we have these horrible fire events, or sometimes earthquake or flood, we realize the contingency, the uncertainty, and the risk that human beings have. We've come a long way into the modern era, but we're by no means free or immune to catastrophe. In the southwest of the United States, which includes Nevada and Arizona and other places, they're a focal point for changing climate. To deal with climate change, they say is $6 trillion a year globally. $6 trillion. Now, there's one more cost, resilience. That's going to cost globally at least $1 trillion every year. We got to start paying now. And then we have to do something to reduce the fact that every year these heat-trapping gases are being emitted by human beings to the tune of 50 billion tons a year. And we're still going up. Now, when we start going down, we're still going to put 49 billion tons or 45 billion tons for as far as the eye can see. So, yes, we are in deep trouble all over the world.
Yet the man who'll be back in the White House a week tomorrow takes a very different view to you. You've dealt with Donald Trump. What would you say to him that the fires suggest he ought to do?
Nature is nature. Physics is physics. And not even Donald Trump, who's quite clever in many ways, can repeal the law of physics. And I would say in the next 4 years, we're going to see the reduction to absurdity of the proposition that climate change is a hoax, that it's moving slowly. Don't worry. All of that are going to be demonstrably absurd. And as that happens, I predict the climate activists, the scientists, people who are really seeing where we are and what's happening will get stronger, and the people will listen to them.